Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to design Indian flag animation in PowerPoint. Our, our presentation, our slide going to be like this. We are going to create a design like this, which will be like this, and it will have the caption like this. And also, I created one more animation which we are not going to learn, but this will be useful for sending Republic Day wishes to the friends and relatives. I given some background music. This animation will be very helpful to send the Republic Day wishes to our friends and relatives. Let's see how to learn this in PowerPoint. Let's open the blank slide. Go to Insert, Shapes. We'll take oval shape and draw a perfect circle holding Shift button like this. Go to Shape Outline, no outline. We'll give a 8 centimeter for both, and we'll change the go to Format Shape, and we'll give the gradient color. We'll select this option, gray color, medium gradient, accent 3. Now we'll give a 3D effect for this. Let's go to Format Shape, select Effects, go to 3D Rotation. Under that, we'll select this option called Offset Axis 1 Top. So this will be like this. Then we'll go to 3D Format. Under Depth, we'll increase the depth to 20 points. So it will be like this, and we'll give some special effects. We may select this option, and lighting effects, we may give this effect. So now we have created one shape, and we'll give gradient shape radial, and we'll put it in center. Now we have created one circle. We'll create duplicate of this, and we'll go to Format Shape, go to Size, and we'll give 6.5 centimeter for both width and height. 6.5 for both, and we'll place it on top of like this. And again we'll duplicate. We'll take third stage. Again we'll give 5 centimeter for this, and we'll put top of it. Now we have created the pillar. We'll create the pillar for this one. Okay, now we'll go to Insert, Shapes. We'll go to option called Cylinder. We'll select cylinder and draw a pole like this, and we'll put it in the center, and we'll give a gradient color for this. We'll go to Gradient Fill. Here we'll give five stoppings. First stop we'll give, first and last we'll give black color, maybe this color, this gray color, dark gray. We'll give this dark gray, and we'll insert two more stops and will give little bit lesser gray color, one, and this one again lesser gray color, and the center one will give a white color. And go to linear and we'll select this option. Now look at here, we have created a pole with having a gradient fill. Now it's a time to create a flag. Go to insert, shapes, and under last banner and stars and banners, we'll select the option called wave. There are two waves are there, one double wave and one wave. We'll, for this one we'll use a single wave. So this is the, like, we'll draw like this. Go to shape format, shape fill, we'll give no outline, we'll do duplicate and we'll put down, and now we have to give the color effect. I already downloaded the colors. First one will give orange, second color will give white, third color will give green. So now we have created the flag colors. Now we wanted to put the chakra in center. For that, again go to shapes, again stars and banner, we'll select this option called star 24 points. Click on here and we'll go to this yellow button and just drag inside like this. So this will give a circle like effect. Then we'll put a circle, round circle. Go to insert, shapes, oval. We'll draw one more circle over top of it. First we'll change the size this to 3 centimeter, and this one we may give some 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter, and remove shape, remove this no fill. Both we will go to shape outline, weight slightly will increase to 2.5 points, and we will just put this circle on top of this. Now we got the chakra which we want to put it in the center of the flag. Just Control G to group it, copy, just make a copy it and paste as a picture. So this will helpful to reduce the size and put it in the center of this flag. To make align center, select this one and this one and go to picture format, align center and align middle. This will ensure that it is in the center of the flag. Again select both, make Control G, and we have done the, we have finished with the flag, and we just wanted to put it on the pole. We'll delete this. Now we have to give the gradient background for this one. Go to right click, format background, go to gradient fill. Here we will take again 3 stops. First again, and the direction I'll use this one. First I will select same orange color, then here white color, third one will give a green color. So now we got the background effect and we have created the flag. We'll just put it over here, and we have to give the captions. Go to insert, text box, we'll type 72nd Indian Republic Day. I'll just go to the previous slide. I'll just copy all these contents just to avoid the timing. I'll copy all these effects and I'll paste it on the here. Okay, I will delete the other one what we created. This I created and given some fonts. For example, this 72nd I used the font called Elephant, and for this one font I used Brush Script MT. You check it out whether you have this or you can download from the net. And I given the similarly orange color and green color to match the flag color. And again for this one I used a gradient fill. Right click, just type Happy Republic Day, right click, go to here. There will be two options, will be the shape option and text option. We have to select the text options. There you have to give a text fill, gradient fill. Then we have to give the three stoppings, orange, white and green. This will give the effects of three colors. Now we have completed the pictures. Now we'll animate this flag. We'll select entire thing, make it Control G. Control G is for grouping. We just make it, this is flying from bottom. Go to animation, animation field, add animation. We'll make it fly or fly in. Okay, so this is flying in, and this one already I given some animations for this, and our flag design is completed. Sorry, I will create this animation to come first. I'll put it here on the top. After that, the greetings message will come. Thank you, friends. Today we learned how to design the Indian flag in PowerPoint. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. If you want to give regular notification, click on the bell icon. Thank you, and we'll see in the next video.